Hi class, this is Dr. Hout, and I am coming to you via video to ask your help with creating some things for my students. And I work with children with disabilities, and one of the things that we work on when we're teaching, I should say I work with teachers who are learning how to do that. One of the things that I'm looking for with your 3D printer option is the opportunity to develop or build some pencil grip finger stabilizers, basically for students to write. So you all remember in elementary school a long time ago when you would hold your pencil and they would have it, you hold it in a certain grip. Pencil grips are really important for students with disabilities, especially with handwriting difficulties and also with hand-eye coordination. So this is just one example of a pencil grip. I'm going to just keep showing it to you here. I'll pull it off the pencil, and this is actually a right-handed one, so it's got a hole in it for the pencil or pen, and then you'll notice that one end is a little rounder, and then it's got indentations for your fingers, and this one is basically three-sided. Generally they're 2 to 3-sided. There are different types. Unfortunately, I only had one with me today. You're welcome to look at more. I'm looking for some very simple ones that I can demonstrate and use in my classes so that my students can practice with them, because they'll be teaching young children how to write, and if you've never used one, you have no idea how to help teach it. So one of the things that you'll be able to help me with is coming up with a way to do that. Now, I'm going to describe one that I saw at a conference that I just absolutely loved, and I'm not sure I'll get the point across, but here it goes. So basically what it was is it was an open hole, kind of like my finger is here, and the pen or pencil just rested on it. So it was almost like the student could slide their finger in and rest it on this oval shape that the pencil then sat on top of. So it would be almost like this. And it was pointed at the bottom, and the students could put their hands on it, and then the pencil just slid right through, and their hand could rest on the piece. Because oftentimes my students, they have very shaky hands, shaky handwriting, or they need to stabilize it with another hand. And if you have a bigger pencil grip, the student can then use it in multiple ways. So just saying, I couldn't find a picture of it. I'm still looking. I saw it at a conference and it was amazing. You feel free to take a look as well. But as you're looking, the simple ones are just that, very simple and pretty easy to use. This one is about 1.5 inches, maybe to 2 inches long. And I'm going to sign off now. Any questions? I'm looking for innovation as well. If there's something you feel is important or want to try, please do. The whole point of pencil grips is so that students who have difficulty with fine motor skills can grasp a pencil and write, or a stylus and use it with the computer. We also build these for a stylus. I have not seen any, but I think that would be a fabulous invention. So off you go. Your challenge, should you choose to accept it, I would love to have some of these.